Hey guys, I'm back again with another tutorial on CodingBat for Python. We're going to do another warm-up today, another exercise for today. So for today, we're going to go over near 100. Let's open and see what the question is and what does it run and how we can possibly solve this. So the function is given as a near 100 with the integer of n. We have to return true if it is within 10 range of 100 and 200. So it means if we have 100 below or above 100 or 100 below or above 200, we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return a false value. And it means noted that we can also use the absolute value function to compute the value. We can possibly see the solution, but we kind of do not want to see the solution. We want to walk over it and see how we can possibly solve. So an advanced method to just solve this program is just to do a return. And what this means is we're going to return a possible value. So just a true value. We don't want any false value. So we can do return, can just do open brackets, absolute value of, let's say, if 100 subtracted by n. So let's say we're going to put like 50. So 100 minus 50 is going to be 50. And then if we can check if it's within a 10 range. If not, it's going to return 0, right? Like it's going to return false. Or we can try absolute value of 200 and subtracted by n. So that, let's say if our n it's 190 and then 200 minus 190 is going to be 10, and if it's within our 10 range, then it will return true. So let's check if this code will actually work out. Okay, as we see, this code is actually possible to work out, and let's see the solution that is provided to us. Oh, okay, so it's exactly the same as what we have here. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment below and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.